my YouTube channel. Today's video is how to make iced coffee at home. So if you are like me, you love Starbucks and you want to have a Starbucks coffee, but as we're on lockdown, we can't go anywhere. So if you want to know how to make one, then please stay tuned. So first of all, I actually got this tip from TikTok. Do apologise for the lighting. I'm using natural lighting at the moment because my ring light is upstairs. So I actually got this tip from TikTok. This is how you actually make an iced coffee, like Starbucks basically, but at home. So if we're ever on lockdown ever again, or we're on lockdown for quite a long while and you are craving a Starbucks, then this is how you make it at home. It's simple, it really is simple. All you're going to need is ice cubes, some milk. Doesn't matter what milk you have, whether you have green milk, semi-skim milk, full fat or almond milk, it doesn't matter what milk you have. A little container or a bowl to whisk everything in. Straws, glasses. I'm actually making one for me and for Nathan, so I'm going to show you two. Some sugar and some coffee, and obviously the hot water as well. I'll put the kettle on in a minute. But I've actually added our own little twist. So I've actually bought some caramel syrup to go in it as well, just to make it taste a bit more like an iced coffee from Starbucks. So yeah, got this from Amazon. I will leave the link down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. But we're going to get loads of different ones to make different ones as well. And we have whipped cream on the top just to make it that perfect Starbucks drink you will get in Starbucks basically. And obviously spoons. So I will tell you step by step of how to do it. First step you're going to need to do is put some ice in your glass, which I've already done because they are trouble to get out. I nearly swore then, but I didn't. They are really hard to get out. So I put some ice in some glass. So what I'm going to do is add some milk in the glasses. Doesn't matter how much milk you have, it's totally up to you. Me and Nathan do like a big glass full of it. So you just add your milk in like this, and then you put in any syrup you like. You don't have to do this, you can do it a different way you like. Obviously I kind of got the little tip from TikTok, but TikTok is completely different. Like they showed you how to put the ice cube in, the milk, and then the coffee and everything else, but they don't add syrup, so we just kind of added our own a little bit in. So I've just added some syrup in our glasses, and then what I'm going to do is, got my little container, because I'm making 2 loads of this, so you need 4 scoopfuls, four teaspoons, not tablespoons but teaspoons of coffee. If you're making for one person, then you just need one little bit of coffee, but because it's me and Nathan, we have double amount, so I'm just putting 4 in. And then add obviously 4 sugars, exactly the same, but I add 2 normal and 2 Canderel, because Nathan loves Canderel, it tastes like sugar anyway. And then what you do is you just pop the kettle on, make sure it's filled up first. Sorry for the very close up. Pop the kettle on, wait till it's boiled, and then pour 4 tablespoons of water, which I will show you. It has just been boiled. So I'm just going to have 4 tablespoons of hot water in here. Normally you would add 2. 1. It says add 2, but because I'm making double, I'm making 2 lots of it, I've got to add 4. So it's going to look something like, I don't know if you can see it, something like that. And then you just simply whisk it until it gets a little bit thicker. Right, you just keep whisking it until it goes a little bit thick. Can you see how kind of thick that's gotten now? It's not all watery. You can get it thicker if you want to, but me and Nathan tend to have it like this. So you just grab your glasses and obviously you just share it out to your glass, or if you're just doing one, obviously just pour the whole lot in. But because I'm doing two, just got to make sure there's enough in each glass. Like so. Because Nathan doesn't have cream with his, so I'm just going to put his straw in and just mix it round. And if you don't tastes really nice actually. If you don't have cream with it, this is what it looks like. The camera could focus without no cream in it. But it's really, really nice. I'm just going to stir mine. So it looks exactly like Nathan's. And then I'm just going to give the cream a bit of a shake. And then to add the cream on top. And there you have it. Iced coffee with whipped cream. And there you have it. Caramel iced coffee with whipped cream. And obviously the caramel iced coffee without whipped cream. They are absolutely beautiful. They taste really, really nice. And we love them so much. Oh, heaven. And they taste exactly like Starbucks iced coffees as well. So guys, if you are craving a Starbucks in the lockdown or you have no money, just simply do it at home. It doesn't cost a thing. It is so easy. A big bottle of that caramel lasts literally, well, it's lasted me and Nathan about 2 weeks, but we do have it like we do have one or two every day. So yeah, there you go guys, a caramel iced coffee and one with whipped cream, one without. They're basically exactly like Starbucks. So if you're craving a Starbucks but can't afford it or can't go out in this situation, then make it at home. I will leave everything in the description box for you guys. So if you ever want to make yourself one of these, then go ahead. Everything will be in the description box below. That is it. I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also guys, don't forget to click on your notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. I've got kitchen organisations, I've got brand new house tours, and I've got loads of stuff coming up. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. You do not want to miss anything. So guys, I love you so much and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!